The driver reported a loss of power during morning routes. It didn't happen every time, mostly under load, and it was noticeably worse in cold conditions. There were no warning lights, no consistent fault codes. Power would drop briefly, then return as if nothing had happened. At this stage, guessing would have been easy. Replace parts, clear codes, hope the problem disappears. But intermittent faults don't respond to hope. They respond to observation. The first step wasn't replacing components, it was diagnostics. Live data was monitored during acceleration, load, and cold starts. Reference voltage, signal stability, and sensor plausibility were all checked. Under load, one pressure sensor value dropped briefly, then recovered. No open circuits, no hard failures, just unstable information. The engine wasn't failing. The message feeding it was. Further checks confirmed the signal degraded as temperature dropped, while other sensors remained stable. The ECU reacted correctly, reducing power to protect the system based on incorrect data. The faulty pressure sensor was replaced. The system was reset. A road test was carried out under the same load and temperature conditions. This time, the data remained stable. Full power was restored. When faults only appear under specific conditions, guessing wastes time. Load, temperature, and live data reveal problems basic checks will never catch. When the message is wrong, the system will always look guilty.